A factory makes sheets of metal that are 4.5 inches thick. If a worker at the factory makes a stack of 2 of these sheets, how many inches thick will the stack be? So this person is taking 2 groups of objects that are 4.5 inches thick. So that's going to be 2 times 4.5. Now you could use mental math for this, and it's really not that bad, but I'm going to show you the whole process. Okay, whenever I multiply a whole number to a mixed number, I like to turn them both into regular fractions or improper fractions. How do I turn 2 into a fraction? Well, you could turn any number into a fraction by putting it over 1. So 2 becomes 2 over 1. How do I turn 4.5 into a improper fraction? Multiply the 4 that lives out in front to the denominator of 2. 4 times 2 is 8. Now add that to the numerator. 8 plus 1 is 9, so 4.5 becomes 9 over 2. Now when multiplying fractions, multiply straight across the numerator and straight across the denominator. 2 times 9 is 18. 1 times 2 is 2. And I'm not going to lose my mind over this. 18 divided by 2 just becomes 9. So this is a word problem. And it's asking how many inches thick will the stack be? Well, 9 inches thick. So I'm going to use that word. And again, we could have used mental math. If I have something that's 4.5, 4.5 add 4.5 does make 9. I guess maybe I didn't have to show all this work, but it's my video and I do whatever I want.